Good evening, ma'am. My name is Istikhar Ahmed. I am father of Ansari Shoaib Ahmed. First of all, I would like to thank KV Sangathan and all the responsible teachers for having good online classes during this pandemic. You people are really overcome on that, and our children also learn a lot as usual as is school time. So I'm very happy and I'm very satisfied from online classes. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, everybody. My name is Nitay Majumdar. I'm father of Vivan Majumdar. Today, I got this opportunity to thank and appreciate each and everybody of the school team, all the teachers, and all the staff of the school who are helping in running the system properly and everything. And especially, I would like to thank to the respected Seema ma'am. She has really helped our children in doing a lot of things, and she has been guiding our children and us from the very beginning, from class 1, and now they are in class 3. And it is truly a very commendable job that she is putting it, and other teachers are really doing very hard work. I know this is a pandemic situation and everybody is doing whatever best that can be done. So once again, I would really like to say thank you and appreciations for each and everybody, and especially to Seema ma'am for all her hard work and everything. Thank you. Good night.
नमस्ते। मेरा नाम रंजीत साव। मैं रोहित साव का पिता हूँ। रोहित साव क्लास 3 सेक्शन सी रोल नंबर 20। जो लॉकडाउन में जो पढ़ाई हुआ बहुत अच्छे से हुआ, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हुआ। बच्चे लोग को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। इस मैंने ऑनलाइन की पढ़ाई से हम सहमत हैं। नमस्ते।
Namaskar to respected principal sir of KV number 1 Ichhapur, class teacher Mrs. Seema Chakravarti ma'am, and all subject teachers. Myself, Rajiv Kumar, father of Riddhi Bhaskar and Siddhi Bhaskar, both are the student of class 3C and 1C respectively in KV number 1 Ichhapur. First of all, I would like to deliver my sincere thanks to all KV's staff because by their sincere efforts, it became successful to continue the learning process of our children. They provide GSUT ID of each student, which helps to deliver online classes. And I would like to deliver my sincere thanks to class teacher and all subject teachers because they did your job like a corona warrior by keep safe our children, our society, and all of us. They deliver such a wonderful online classes that our children are really enjoying the online classes. In my view, online classes are completely successful because we keep safe all of us and also continue the learning process of our children. So I think you all did your job like a corona warrior in this hard COVID 19 pandemic situation. Once again, I really pay my sincere thanks to all class teacher, subject teacher, and principal sir, and KV's staff also. You all did a remarkable work, an appreciable work, and an awardable work. Thank you to all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon, madam. I am Srishti Ghosh mother, respected teachers and principal. We are satisfied with this system and thank you.
Respected Principal Sir, Head Sir, class teacher and all subject teachers. Myself Devobroto Ghosh, father of Panibroto Ghosh, would like to express my views on going online classes. the school authority were forced to take online classes under COVID pandemic situation. I am pleased to see daily class, homework, assignment and my child's progress it. Thank you all your great efforts in such a bad situation. You may carry on these online classes for safety all children and we will be highly obliged. Thank you.
Good evening to all the teachers and the parents of Kendriya Vidyalaya Ishapur. I, Dibjyoti Roy, father of Sintik Roy, today have got an opportunity to speak to you about the success of online classes. The wonderful support and dedication by the teachers have ensured that the students have not lost 1 year of their precious lives during the COVID situation. So I thank all the teachers from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. I am Mothers of Nana Gupta. First of all, I would like to say that I am fully satisfied with online classes that the school has concluded during the difficult situation. Effectiveness classes, and also worried for my daughter's study. But only online classes have given to environment of physical classes for all student, included my daughter Nana. I would like to thank all teachers and principals, sir. Really thanks to Seema ma'am, Manisha ma'am and all teachers. Too would like to play role of guardians, teacher, friend, guide to same of time even online classes. I really thanks to सीमा मैम जो घर में रहकर स्टार्टिंग फॉल जब स्टार्ट हुआ था लॉकडाउन, स्टार्टिंग में बच्चे घर में रहकर सोचते थे किस तरह से हम अपनी क्लासेस पढ़ाई कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे। इंक्लूडेड गार्जियन भी बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो गए थे कि विदाउट एनी टीचर हेल्प हम बच्चों को कैसे स्टडी करवाएं। बट स्टार्टिंग फॉर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जब स्टार्ट हुआ, मैम ऑल टीचर्स कितने ज़्यादा केयरफुल, प्यार से फॉर हर मदर्स की तरह पढ़ाई सिखाना, हर एक टॉपिक, हर एक चैप्टर को बहुत ही प्यार से समझाना। बहुत रियली थैंक टू ऑल टीचर्स। स्टार्टिंग फॉर जब नैना मैम की आवाज़ सुनी थी, वो दौड़ कर मेरे पास आकर बोल रही थी, मम्मा मैंने क्लास अटेंड किया, जैसे लग रहा था कि मैं स्कूल में ही बैठी हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगा। वेरी थैंक टू केवी नंबर 1, टू ऑल टीचर्स, अफोर्डेबल इफेक्ट मैम। I never complete to 1 years without any help for all teachers. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good evening, respected principal sir, respected headmaster sir, and all the teachers. Myself, father of Sunidhi Kumari of class 3C, would like to thank all teachers for their hard efforts for conduction of online classes. The way you are providing quality education to our children can't be expressed in words. In fact, I am very satisfied with the online classes held by you. Thank you.
Good evening, respected Principal Sir and Madam and all the teachers. I am Tunusri Nath, the mother of Sadhu Vishwanath and Shobhik Nath. My daughter and son are studying in class 3C and 1C. We really appreciate and thank you for this wonderful teaching system, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening, respected Principal Sir and all respected teachers. I am mother of Hetika Singh. मैम, मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से पूरी तरह से संतुष्ट हूँ, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन ही एक ऐसा माध्यम है हमारे इस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में हमारे बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए। तो मैं सभी टीचरों को बहुत 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 थैंकफुल करती हूँ कि उन्होंने बहुत ही सहज तरीके से हमारे बच्चों को पढ़ाया है और हमारे बच्चों ने भी बहुत ही आनंद पूर्वक सभी क्लासेस की है। तो बच्चों के साथ साथ हाँ, हम पेरेंट्स को भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है। इसलिए मैं सभी टीचर्स का तहे दिल से बहुत ही शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ। थैंक यू।
Hello and namaskar to all the teachers and the authorities of Ichapur KV1. I am Sandipan Chakraborty. My son Sangbet Chakraborty is a student of class 3C in the said school. At the very outset, I would like to thank all the teachers and the authorities of the said school from the bottom of my heart for the kind of endeavor they have taken in the pandemic situation. It was a harrowing task to keep all those children indoors during these trying times, but the respected madams, respected sirs and the authority of the school, they have risen to the occasion. They have converted the entire education system to an online medium, and the students have responded well. This was a part of new learning experience for the kids as well as for the parents also. Initially, we were a bit apprehensive that the children who are being kept indoors, who are not being allowed to go out and play with their mates, not to have any kind of outdoor activities, it will have some diminishing effect on their psychology. But thanks to the respected madams and sirs, the school has given them tremendous support by imparting online education to them. Respected teachers have taken regular classes, have taken tests, have given them all kind of encouragements, and the students have tried to pick up the threads from their respected teachers. So I express my gratitude, and I would just like to add that it was a completely new experience. The students have learned a lot, the parents have learned a lot, and in the process, the students have become smarter, of course. They have picked up a few tricks, and I would like to add that even they have become a bit naughtier also. They have learned few tricks about mobiles, about internet, about Wi-Fi router, about everything. They have outsmarted us. Well, this was about to happen. This has to happen. It is a new generation. They are learning fast, and all credit goes to our respected teachers, madams and sirs. Thanks a lot.
The principal, teachers and supporting staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya 1 Ishapur. My name is Tapun Kumar Ghosh. My son Tamarga Ghosh is a student of class 3C. In this academic session, education is a big challenge for teachers to continue. They have no other option. Only online process is the only platform to continue the education. Here they have no direct contact, interpersonal relation with the student, but they have taken the classes in an interesting way. All the students have enjoyed the class. Teachers put their efforts to improve their student. I observe my son. He has improved his writing and reading skill. Listening skill also improved. He has developed his confidence with the guidance of teachers and their expertise in teaching process. I am grateful to all the teachers. Thank you.
Good evening, madam and sir. I am father of Priya Sonakar. She is studying on class 3C, and I really thankful to class teacher madam and whole school management. I really appreciate to online classes, and I certify for that, and I very thankful to Seema madam. Thank you.
Good evening, teachers. I am Tanmay Kormokar, father of Anik Kormokar, a student of class 3C. I would like to thank all the teachers of KV1 Ichapur for your hard work have put in for online classes. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, the children are unable to go outside, but introduction of online classes are like a gentle breeze for them. Not only the children are learning through online classes, but also they are meeting with teachers and their friends every day. As parents, this has given us the opportunity to see what our children are learning through this interactive session. Once again, my sincere thanks to all.
Namaste and very warm good morning to all the teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya School Ichapur. My name is Sanjay Yadav, father of Samay Yadav, who is studying class 3C in your school. Today I would like to take the opportunity in thanking all the teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya Ichapur for making online classes a successful event during the pandemic crisis. Thank you teachers for all your efforts and hard work that you put in order to ensure that our children get the best education and nothing is missed out. Online classes has been a great success and our children are also adapted to the environment in a comfort manner with great zeal and enthusiasm. You teachers have proved that education cannot even stop during the pandemic if you have the vision and goal to accomplish it. Thank you teachers, thank you for your efforts and hard work.
Good evening, all the teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya Ichapur. I am Purimal Nandi, father of Shobik Nandi. I am very satisfied with the teacher who have conducted on the good online classes in pandemic situation. Thanks all the teachers. Thank you.
Namaste. Respected principal sir and all teachers of KB1 Ichapur. I am Uttam Ghosh, father of Rajanna Ghosh, who is dating class 3C. During pandemic situation, your participation and good efforts about online classes is grateful and blameless. At that time, during pandemic situation, when our child stay at home, then all teachers gives the advice, good tips and psychological tips which encourage our child at that time. And take each subject examination and project work in proper time. You proved that you do not stop your education during that bad situation. It is blameless and incomparable. So I thanks all teachers and principal sirs because they are good efforts and gives our childs good advice, good tips and good instruction. Thank you very much sir.
Namaskar. Myself D.N. Panigrai, father of Bidusi Panigrai of class 3C. Respected principal sir, respected headmaster sir, respected Seema Chakravarti ma'am, class teacher of class 3C, and all the teachers of KB number 1 Ichapur. I am very thankful and grateful to all the teachers for doing the best effort for their online classes for their kids. All the students are really enjoying the online classes. as a parent in this pandemic situation, I am also very satisfied with these online classes. Once again, I specially thanks to Seema Chakravarti ma'am for her innovative ideas on online classes for engaging kids round the clock by co-curricular activities. Thank you all the teaching teachers and non-teaching staffs of KB number 1 Ichapur. Thank you.
Hello, I am Piu Mondol Sarkar, mother of Toshani Mondal. I would like to thanks to Miss Seema Chakravarti ma'am, the class teacher of 3C, and all the teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Ichapur for their great effort and contribution for this online education system. It is highly appreciated that they teach every student with so much love, care and patience. Our children are really lucky to have this great education system. And at the same time, we are so much proud and so much satisfied about this historic education system. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Respected Principal Sir and all the teachers, I am Surajit Das, father of Satobhisha Das, class 3C, KB number 1, Ichapur. The online classes supported our children education in this corona pandemic situation. All the teachers are encouraged and supported every time by online system. Our children educational performance improve and extracurricular activities. So I fully satisfied with these online classes. Thank you, sir.
Very good evening to everyone. Myself, Kishore Kumar Jha, father of Kirti Jha, studying in class 3C at Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Ishapur. As the online classes are regarding, I would like to thank school authority, especially Seema ma'am, for their great effort towards our children in this pandemic situation, when at that time when we can't imagine how to tackle our children's schooling at pandemic situation. So I think online classes are the best solution at the present situation. Thank you.